Life sometimes will have us in places we never thought we would be at. From being lively and happy to asking ourselves if this is the life we truly deserve. This kind of state might hurt and lessen our will, but there is a power that comes with knowing that He who started the good work in us is faithful to bring it into fruition. We just need to have faith and believe that God is working it all out for our good and that He is using this wilderness moment to prepare us for the promised land. If you ever feel not enough, I pray that you will always remember that He who is inside of us is greater and mightier than the problems you are facing. Our God is bigger than all of our problems combined. That's a fact. In this life, there will be seasons of takeaway, seasons of addition. There will be seasons of plenty when God decides to multiply and elevate us. And there are also those tough seasons, silent moments where nothing seems to make sense at all. Everything we try fails and no help seems to be coming through for us. I have been there many times, and I have come to believe that those are the moments we should treasure the most. Instead of complaining, take it a day at a time, because in reality these are the seasons to look back and see just how many miracles God has performed in our lives. It's in this season we get to really say that if it weren't for the hand of God, we will never have made it in some situations we went through. Silent seasons are rough, but they are meant to show us the power of God and His love for us, so we can continue to trust in Him with the next seasons of our life. This silent season always gives us a testimony of God's faithfulness. And so, if God put you there, my dear friend, then you have everything that you need to navigate that season, because where God guides, He provides always, always, always. In our lives, we often find ourselves burdened with the concerns about our future, our health, or our loved ones. Yet the scriptures reminds us that God, the creator of heaven and earth, is always vigilant and never takes His eyes off us. The promise that He neither sleeps nor slumbers is a beautiful reassurance of His constant care and protection. Whatever we go through in this life is not greater than the God who knew we would be in it. God saw the season coming before it got to us, and by His power and might, He put everything we needed to come out of those seasons better than we were. I pray that our rough seasons will see us coming out stronger, wiser, full of faith and full of joy. God's grace is sufficient, my friend. May we lean on its strength. May we believe in its power to move things around for our good. Be encouraged, my dear friend. Nothing lasts forever. God is the eternity.